everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be giving you tips and essential items for you to survive high school or college online. So today I'm going to be helping you survive Zoom school or Zoom University. So before we start, feel free to like and subscribe and also put on post notifications so you get notified of every time I upload. Okay? Alright, now without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you are going to need for your Zoom journey is a computer. Obviously, you're going to need a computer. It could be a desktop or a laptop that has a camera. The second thing you are going to need is headphones, preferably a good pair of headphones that have a inline mic. This is going to help your audio sound nice and crisp and not have that weird echo in the background. And it is also going to help you focus if you do have excess noise going on in your house. The third thing that you are going to need that I found very helpful when transitioning to online is a planner or your phone calendar. This is really important so that you can keep track of your class times in case they changed, and also carve out specific times to do homework and specific times to relax. Since you are at home, it is very tempting to just go to your class and then when it's done, just completely get on the couch and chill out. But with the planner and or phone calendar, you are able to set specific times so you don't fall into that pit. The fourth thing you are going to need is either a flash drive or Google Drive. So when figuring out which one you would like to use, keep in mind that while Google Drive is really easy and really simple, you will need Wi-Fi anytime you're trying to access your documents. But you will be able to access your files and your presentations on multiple devices. So if you are out and about but you do need to access a study guide, Google Drive would be the thing for you. But if Wi-Fi isn't always easy to come by for you, you should opt for a flash drive, because with a flash drive you don't need Wi-Fi to access your documents at all. Either one is important to have in order to save storage on your laptop or your desktop. Okay, so the fifth thing on our list is to establish a designated workspace. So what I mean by that is find a specific place in your house and use that place consistently to go to class and to do your homework. This helps you make a distinction between work and home, which was really important to me because while you are at home, you still have to go to school and do school stuff. So by being able to make a distinction in your mind between, okay, when I go to this part of the house, I'm at school. When I go to this part of the house, I'm at home and able to relax, really helps you get into the right mindset to be productive and complete your homework. So the sixth thing on our list is to establish designated clothes for school. So what I mean by this is don't go to Zoom school or Zoom University in your pajamas. I know it's really tempting, but don't do it. By establishing designated clothes for school, it'll help you make the same distinction I was talking about earlier, the distinction between home and school while being at home. These steps were so helpful and crucial when I had to make the switch online because of COVID. I had never done online school before, but by designating a space in my house and also getting dressed every day like I would to go to school normally, it gave me a sense of normalcy in a otherwise very unnormal situation. So that brings us to number 7 on our list, our bonus step, which is to facilitate a good relationship with your teachers. This is really important because if you facilitate a good relationship with your teachers, they are more likely to be understanding if you're having a hard time with a certain concept, or if for some reason you need more time to complete a project. So if you need an extension. So if you can, try to facilitate a good relationship with your teachers, because as many teachers have told me, they really don't want you to fail. Okay, some of them might. But most teachers don't want you to fail. So be nice to them so they can help you pass. Okay? Cool. So I hope this was really helpful to you guys and you guys now feel prepared to tackle Zoom School or Zoom University. And if you did find this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe and put on post notifications so you get notified of every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching and I love you. Bye.